This is a tutorial for the dealer tracker from Roulette calculators. In the menu, you'll notice that there are two options for the dealer tracker, the standard dealer tracker and the dealer tracker one direction. On a normal roulette table, the dealer will alternate their spins, spinning the ball clockwise and anti-clockwise in an alternating fashion. However, some dealers we found only spin the ball in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, but they'll never alternate the spin. If this is the case, we would use the dealer tracker one direction. If the dealer does alternate the ball from left to right or clockwise to anti-clockwise, we would use the normal dealer tracker. For this example, we're going to use the dealer tracker one direction. Once you visit the dealer tracker one direction, you'll see that there's two boards, the top board and the bottom board. Now the bottom board is actually a representation of a standard European roulette wheel. So the numbers are exactly the same as a normal wheel. The settings in the dealer tracker one direction are very simple. All you have to do is select how many spins you would like to track in that particular direction. By default, it's set to 10 spins. The other option is irrelevant on the one direction table. If you're using the standard dealer tracker, you can select if the ball is going to spin left or right. Now you would set that in the initial phase before tracking any numbers. Let's look at how the dealer tracker works. As you may well know, once a number has been submitted, or the dealer has spun the ball and say it landed on number 17, when the dealer does the next spin, they will spin from the area from where the ball has just landed, in this case 17. Most dealers will spin within one or two numbers of the previous result. If you find a dealer that does not obey this, we recommend not using this calculator for that particular dealer and find someone else. So how does this really work? Well, what the dealer tracker does is measure the distance from where the ball has landed on the previous result. So in this case, the ball is on number 17. So when they spin the ball again, let's say it lands on number 13. So we'd submit the number 13. And now you can see number 8 is highlighted. The reason for this is if you look at number 17, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ball has landed 4 to the right of the previous number from where it was spun from. So in this case, it's showing you 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right of the number it's currently on. So let's say it lands 5 to the right of number 13. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be number 23. So if that number is selected, you'll now see here it's highlighting number 33 and number 16. Now the reason for that is number 23, the first spin was 4 to the right, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is showing number 16. The second result was 5 to the right, which is now showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say it lands on number 16. Once you land on 16, you'll see that it is increased to number 2, showing that that area of the board has been landed on twice, which means from the number 16, it's counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and over the last 3 spins, it's landed on that particular area twice. Now, typically when you're playing with a dealer, you'll find that most dealers are fairly scattered, and you'll just start seeing on the board that the results are all scattered like that. What we're really looking for when using this tracker is finding a dealer that's consistent, that will start grouping up in areas like this. So as you can see here, we'd start seeing a nice little grouping here, and we can say out of the 10 spins, it's landed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times within these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Now, sometimes when we play this, we'll find that the groupings are really positive, and you'll just find that it's filling up like this. Now this is the dealer that we're looking for. So we can do a neighbours bet on this area here, and over the last 10 spins we can see that this area has hit 4, 5, 6, 7 times out of 10 spins, which gives you a 70% success rate in this area. As mentioned before, if you don't find a dealer that is showing nice groupings like this, we don't recommend using this calculator for that particular dealer. Take the time to log a few dealers and you will find your success increases tenfold. Let's have a look at a video of using the dealer tracker in action. Women here on the VIP, and it's starting to look pretty good. You can see there's a lot of double ups happening. I'm going to click onto the table. So that 28 went to 22. Yeah, so you can see a nice nice area grouping here, also around here as well. So I've got £100 in the balance, and just going to see where I can take this. Mute that one. That's gone to 10. Okay, so it is pretty much in that area. And what I'll do, I'll probably do a smaller neighbours there. In fact, I mean it's quite hot here around, say, number 10. Let's put a couple on 23 and 16. So I hit that one, number 11. Right, so yeah, I mean, probably neighbours on number 11 itself. I'm just going to double up on 6, 11, 23, and 36. It went to number 6, which is a double up, which is nice. So that's gone now to a triple up. So I've been logging another dealer now, and you can see down here around 31 we've got quite a nice grouping. So I'm putting a neighbours there on number 9, and yeah, she's been behaving quite well on this table. So I'm just going to give this this dealer a try. You can see out of the 15 spins she's already had 3 double ups, and they're all in the same area within sort of 5 or 6 numbers there. And again, it's just landed on number 1, so that's one of the ones that we've put a few more chips on. So that's £90 win there. So you can see it's moved across slightly. So we're going to be putting the neighbours just on that area again. Just put a few extra ones on the numbers that have doubled up. I did miss that one there, but it's okay. Okay, and it landed straight in the middle of it again on number 22. It's given us another £90, so balance is now at 380. And you can see that section of the board has moved across a little bit closer to the 0 section there. So again, we'll just put a few more on those. I mean, that area we've got a double up and 2 triple ups just in that one section. So you can see when the table is like this, this is when you need to just take advantage. Of course, it doesn't last forever. Unfortunately, with these dealers, they suddenly change their tempo or change the speed of the wheel. You can see we've just missed that one, but that's okay. We've definitely won a lot more than we've just made the bet. So I'm going to put it back there. Going to chuck it straight on that area there. We'll just top up these ones again. As you can see, I've done £3 on 9 and 1, and I've increased it to £4 on number 14 because that's obviously a triple up. Okay, again it's gone to the opposite side of the table, so we're on number 6 there. So that's moved it round to the tiers section, and I'm just going to be putting the neighbours right there on number 8, and in fact I'm going to drop that down a little bit and move it across onto 30. That's a bit more central. So I'm only betting on 7 numbers right now. 7 numbers, but you can see it's all of those have been compressed into about 5 numbers on the wheel. And oh yeah, we just hit that one, I believe, number 13. So we've got £3 on that one. So it's 108. So up to 422 now. So you see it's starting to fizzle out a little bit, but we're just going to go in with another bet in that area. And if we take it up close to 500, basically if this one comes in, we're going to call it a day. I don't want to be too greedy, because that's when things can go wrong. So yeah, if this one comes in, I'm going to leave it, and that's good. We've taken £100 up to, and look at that, straight on it. So yeah, with that said, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We're up to 492. Take it easy, guys. We're so confident in our calculators and betting systems that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just drop us an email and we'll refund you straight.